here in Ellington at the Barnyard and Great Country Garages. It is a local family-owned business, and their creations are spectacular, like the one you see behind me here. We got a private tour of their facilities. Let's check it out.
So we're a third-generation family-owned business. This will be our 37th year in business, and we provide customers throughout the Northeast with storage buildings, pool sheds, gazebos, pavilions. And then from this facility here, we craft our authentic timber frame structures, which we ship nationwide. We've been in 42 states this past year, so we're pretty excited about that. I would say majority of our sales are for residential use, whether it's a small garden shed in the backyard to store the lawnmower, or a garage, accessory garage to put next to their home. But we also do quite a bit of work with other businesses and do some light commercial work as well.
People are giving a lot more attention, it seems, to their home. So they're adding sheds, garages, or barns, and instead of going on vacation, they're investing in their property and staying put. And we're in a unique business where we can provide those services of building a beautiful barn or a pool house or a shed to accommodate the special times that we're in right now. The CNC equipment that we have, it's only there's one of 3 machines like it in the country, and we have 2, so it's very impressive, and that's what makes us unique and very efficient and very good at what we do.
And we're proud to say that everything that comes out of our facility is all made in the USA.
At any given time, 4 to 5 projects are being worked on here on the floor at their manufacturing facility. But one of their more impressive projects is the carousel at SONNY'S place in Summers. They've actually crafted the timber framing here in this facility and then built the entire structure that houses the carousel.
We use a lot of modern technology. Our craftsmen in the shop shaping the timbers, assembling the joinery, cutting all the pieces, and we have one of the most authentic timber frame barns available anywhere in the country. And it's neat too because we can offer the barns fully built, where we'll cut everything here in the shop. We'll have our own team of carpenters and craftsmen go on the job site and assemble the buildings. Right now we're at our 21,000 square foot manufacturing facility here in Ellington. This is one of the most advanced timber framing facilities in the country, actually. We have a lot of high-tech equipment here, and we're able to, at this facility, take in raw timbers and raw beams, and we can cut authentic post and beam barns with the use of our CNC equipment and our experienced craftsmen in the shop. So it's quite amazing. We can basically cut and pre-build an entire post and beam barn at this facility. We take it out to the job site and can build a whole structure without breaking out a saw all day on the job site. Everything kind of fits together like a Lincoln Logs, and it's just amazing construction. The old world construction with a lot of modern technology.
We have a full, very qualified sales team, so we try to make it simple for the client. Whether they're looking just for a small potting shed in the backyard, or the barn of their dreams, or a home office, we're seeing a lot of that today. But we have a great website, and we do have 2 showcase locations in Connecticut, one in Ellington here that's just up the street, and then we have one down in Bethel, Connecticut. So we make it simple. We're open 7 days a week. The clients can feel free to come in and browse around. The nice thing is a lot of our displays are outdoors, and we'd be happy to walk them through the process. We also do have our winter sale running right now for the next month and a half, and we have some exceptional pricing, and our 2021 build dates are booking up fast.
Yeah, this facility is where the magic happens. And as you can see, a fresh load of timber literally just arrived behind me, but their craftsmanship is exceptional. And so if you are looking for something to maybe spruce up your backyard or anything in between, they are certainly the people to go to make you have a beautiful creation at home.